Many leaders struggle with high-stake decision-making, leading to delays, business losses, and missed opportunities. Are you a leader who often feels stuck when making big decisions? Do you ever ask yourself these three questions? What if this is the wrong move? What if my decision backfires? Should I wait for more data before I make this decision? If so, you are not alone. Research shows that over 60% of business leaders regret key decisions they made due to lack of the right framework. But here is the secret. Top executives don't just make decisions. They follow a process. In this video, I will share 3 critical strategies top CEOs and Fortune 500 leaders use to make fast, smart, and high-impact decisions without fear or hesitation. So are you ready to get this wonderful and life-changing nugget? Stick around until the end because I will also give you a free leadership decision-making template you can start using today, okay? As an executive or a CEO in your organization, this is for you. So why do so many leaders struggle with decision-making? Number 1, overanalysis and fear of failure. What if this choice destroys my business, right? Number 2, waiting for perfect information. I don't have 100% certainty yet. Have you heard that before? Number 3, lack of a structured approach. I go with my gut, but sometimes I am wrong. Right? Yeah, I see that all around me, especially in our coaching programs. Now, do you want to know the truth? Inaction is more dangerous than making the wrong decision. Please don't forget that statement. That is very critical for your leadership. Here is an example. Netflix once had the option to sell its company to Blockbuster for $50 million. The decision, they said no and bet everything on streaming. The one decision changed the future of entertainment forever. And this is very critical when it comes to you making decisions. So, how did they decide? With a clear framework. And this is a kind of framework that you also need in your leadership. So let me give you the steps. Step number 1, define the outcome before the decision. What does that mean? See, great leaders don't focus on the decision itself. They define success first. Before choosing, ask, what does winning look like? Then reverse engineer the best parts. I hope that makes sense. Number 2, use the 70% rule. Jeff Bezos' strategy. If you wait for 100% of the information, you're too late. See, Bezos says, make decisions when you have about 70% of data. Move fast and course correct as you go. Step number 3, consult the right people. Not everyone, because everyone is not the right individuals. See, too many leaders ask for feedback from everyone instead of them identify 3 to 4 trusted advisors who understands the stake, get their insights, decide, and execute. You have to be proactive as the leader. Now that you know the 3 critical decision-making strategies, so imagine applying them every day in your leadership role. This is what you need for you to lead well. Remember, everyone deserves to be led well. And as a leader, it is your responsibility to strive to lead well. So if you're ready to master decision-making strategies and to execute with confidence, I encourage you to join our next class, the Executive Leadership Mastery Program, or check any of our executive programs. Click the link below. Learn more about how to register and get in the room. I will see you there.